Okay, here we go. We got a Saturday morning break here. 2017 Superlative Hockey. Looking for one of our favorite players, Nico Hischier, in the break. Nick is behind me. Can't get off his Minecraft game. He might come. He might come into the break in a little bit, but we're gonna break it regardless. So here we go. We got 4 hits per box. Usually really nice stuff in these boxes. Little weak packaging here. Sealed box nonetheless. We got a special offer here for Beckett Autograph Authentication. Take 20% off your BAS submission, so whatever that is. Okay, here we go. First card up. Number 230, a signature of Lanny McDonald. Nice historical player there. Superlative signatures, 26 of 30. Not a bad start. Four card patch here. Superlative, number 10 of 10. Steve Yzerman, Tom Barrasso, Cam Neely, and LaFontaine. 83-84 debuts. I have all these rookie cards except for Barrasso. 10 of 10 patch card.
10 of 10, nice. What are you opening?
Cool patch card here. 7 of 12. Stan the Man Mikita. Silver Stick Club. 1,000. I guess, what does that mean, 1,000? I don't know. 1,000 points? I don't know. 10 of 10. And finally, we have a Superlative 1987-88 seasons. Gretzky, Lemieux, Waugh, Fuhr, Bork, and Hakan Lube. 8 of 25. Not the greatest box in the world, but that is the break.